Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy CDs at Charles Schwab. First, log into your Schwab account online. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab, then select Bonds and Fixed Income. This section is your gateway to exploring various fixed income investments, including certificates of deposit. We will guide you through finding the right CDs for your financial goals. After reaching the Bonds and Fixed Income page, you will see options to filter your search. Use the CD filter to view only certificates of deposit. You can then refine your search by maturity date, yield, and issuer. Take your time to compare the various offerings, paying close attention to the annual percentage yield, or a PI, and the minimum investment amount, which might be $1,000 or more. Once you have identified the CD you wish to purchase, click on it to view more details. Here, you will find information like the CUSIP number, issue date, and call features. Enter the quantity of CDs you want to buy. For example, entering 10 would mean a $10,000 investment. Double-check all the order specifics, including the total cost and settlement date, before confirming your purchase. Remember that CDs typically have penalties for early withdrawals, so ensure you won't need the funds before maturity. A CD ladder, where you invest in CDs with staggered maturity dates, can offer both higher yields and greater flexibility. This strategy helps you access funds periodically while still benefiting from fixed rates. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.